newscasters and Jen. Well, new at 6, with their kids stuck at home during the stay-at-home order, why not teach them how to manage their money? Jim Mendoza met with a financial planner who created an app for that.
The BusyKid app for smartphones and other devices is based on a simple concept: get your chores done and get paid. Financial planner Greg Merced created it to teach money management to children and young teenagers.
Every time you earn, you save a little bit, you share a little bit with charity, church, something you care about, and then you spend.
About 150,000 families across the U.S. are now using the app, including Paige Shimamoto's family.
So they have the same exact chores every week: their bathrooms, trash, taking care of their animals.
A dollar amount is attached to each chore. When the work is done, Paige pays her sons through the app.
We earn money by doing chores, and that's money that we get to spend other than like the cash we have in our wallet.
Merced says the stay-at-home order is a perfect time to put his program to the test, and the app is free.
It's a great opportunity to do that right now because we're all kind of on top of each other and we need a little structure.
Paige's family has used BusyKid for about a year.
Do you think it's helping them understand the meaning of money?
I do.
The app even has a debit card feature. Merced says his program teaches youngsters to work hard and to be smart with what they earn.
That's really what the secret combination is to get kids to be successful.
You can learn more about the app at busykid.com. Jim Mendoza, Hawaii News Now.